Bohr model of hydrogen. According to basic postulates of Bohr model, every atom consists of a central core called a nucleus, in which entire positive charge and almost the entire mass of the electrons are concentrated. So all the protons are present in the nucleus. The electrons will be revolving around the nucleus. The number of electrons will be same as the number of protons in the nucleus. That is, the number of protons in the nucleus and number of electrons revolving around the nucleus will be same. According to second postulate, the electrons can revolve only in certain non-radiating orbit or stationary orbit, for which angular momentum of the revolving electron is an integral multiple of h by 2 pi, where h is Planck's constant. Equation for angular momentum is mvr. So for an electron, mvr is integral multiple of h by 2 pi, or mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. According to third postulate, when an electron jumps from one orbit to another, it either absorbs or radiates energy. When the electron jumps from an inner orbit to an outer orbit, the difference in energy will be absorbed. When electron jumps from outer orbit to an inner orbit, the difference in energy between the two orbits will be emitted. If E1 is the total energy of an electron in an inner orbit and E2 is the total energy in an outer orbit, when the electron jumps from the second orbit to the first orbit, that is outer orbit to the inner orbit, the difference in energy will be radiated. The difference in energy is E2 minus E1. It will be equal to h nu, where nu is the frequency of the radiation emitted.